So I had not only my normal size sketchbook, we also had a small sketchbook that we were encouraged to take around with us when we were walking the streets. This was on the one of the tours that were given to us by Kaki Tours, Faith Walk. So basically going to all the places of worship around the city. That one didn't quite work out. We learned about Brahma and Vishnu and Shiva. And that's my cat in the background, wanting attention. There's a lovely cow. And kind of a street scene. I added the colour afterwards, but I was working just in a fude pen and then a grey marker on location. Oh no, that's Sumi-chan wanting some attention. And yeah, chai was very much part of the trip the whole time. So one of the places we stopped had a sign. Some more from the watercolor experiments. Notes. Yep, 2 tomatoes. You have to believe me when I tell you they are tomatoes. Yep, more notes. And this was when we were walking around Banganga before we did the big sketch. Yeah, I like this one with the steps and the water tank. Hello, Sumi-chan. I know. And a few bits and pieces. A lady watering the flowers at a temple. There's a cow. Yeah, I missed its eye. I just did the ear. The ear flopped in front of the eye and should have stayed a bit longer. But then a car appeared in front of us and then we were moving. And then we went into a temple and there was the swirling of the flame and the sea conch. Very loud sound coming out of that. And it was chanting and clapping of hands, and an iPhone was used for the words. More notes, few faces that I saw, and Astrid sitting across from me. Few bicycles and bamboo poles. More notes about drawing people. Yeah, drawing people. That was in the morning, following day, I think. It was kind of a new car model, and there was a crew basically filming it from every angle and telling it to go left, go right. People walking by, street sweeper, more notes, and then final little sketch